Welcome mamas to Slow Down with Kirsten, 30-day prenatal yoga journey. Today is day 1. It's all about motherhood. It's all about you. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You're not going to want to miss the next videos coming up. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. Let's start in a comfortable seated pose, letting everything go, whatever you've gone through today, whatever you're feeling, just letting it all be here on the mat. So as we're sitting here in this seated pose, begin to wrap your arms around your belly, around you and your precious baby. Take a deep breath in through your nose and a nice cleansing breath out your mouth. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. 1 last time. Inhale through your nose. And 1 last audible exhale through your mouth, letting that resistance, that tension go and welcoming that peace, that confidence into this practice. On your next inhale, raise both arms high up above your head, folding your right elbow down. Begin to deepen that stretch in your tricep. Inhale, strengthen your spine, sit up tall, and exhale, pull a little deeper. Remember to be mindful of the hormone relaxin in your body. Don't try to get too deep into stretches, just show love to your body. Inhale, hands up overhead, and switch sides. Triceps stretch on the other side. It's important to really open up our shoulder blades here, especially when we're sleeping in different positions, when our balance is a little off, opening up those shoulder blades and upper back. Inhale, bring hands up overhead, and exhale, come down into Anjali Mudra, prayer position at your heart. Moving into all fours, bring knees under hips, hands under shoulders, and as you inhale, move your right leg out to the right side of your mat. Taking a few deep lunges here to open up your pelvis, begin to pulse. Remember to keep your knee aligned with your toes, and you can place your hands here on your hips or keep it in prayer position, whatever helps with stability. Coming back down to all fours, switching sides. Left leg now out to the side, knee lining up with your toes, and begin to pulse. Remember to tuck your pelvis and take slow, deep stretches. This is a great movement to get ready for labor and delivery, releasing tension and creating space for you and your baby to stretch, grow, and expand. Going back down to all fours, walk your hands a few inches forward. Bring your right knee behind your right wrist, your calf parallel with the top of your mat, coming into King Pigeon pose. Inhale, look up, open your shoulders and your heart. And exhale, fold over. If you need a little bit more space for you and baby, feel free to stay on your hands, forearms, or come all the way down to the ground. You can even place a cushion or a blanket underneath your hips. Continue to focus on your breath here. A lot of times when we're uncomfortable in yoga or in labor or in pregnancy, it's so important to send breath to those areas to loosen up and release tension. Inhale, begin to rise, walking your hands back up to the mat, coming into all fours again. Now switching sides, walk your hands again a couple inches forward and bring your left knee behind your left wrist, bringing your calf parallel to the front of your mat. Remember to keep your back knee onto the mat, not rolling from side to side. Feel that deep opening in your pelvis and your hip. Exhale, fold over. Becoming a mother is not just physical work. It's emotional and mental and spiritual. And taking this moment to do some stretches and breathing techniques will help better prepare you not just for labor and delivery, but afterwards as well. On an exhale, come to seated staff, bent knees. Inhale, bend your right knee. Keep your left leg out straight, coming into half saddle. On an exhale, begin to walk your hands back, coming onto your forearms. Opening up that quad, the hamstring, the hips, and propping yourself up. You might feel some baby kicks, I know I am. Remember to keep your toes pointing outward. Inhale, walk back up and we'll switch sides. Right leg out long, bring your left heel closer to your glute, and begin to walk your hands back for reclined half saddle. You know, as your body's changing, if you've done yoga previously before you were pregnant, some of these poses might feel a little different now in your body. Begin to recognize and notice that too. It's amazing that the women's body can change and evolve and grow with your baby. Inhale, begin to walk yourself back up slowly. Shake your legs out, give your legs some love, and come into an easy seat. Sitting on your sit bones, moving into bound angle, bring the soles of your feet to touch. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, begin to walk your hands forward, even if it's just an inch or two. Elongate your spine on an inhale, and exhale, let gravity push you down towards the floor, opening up those hips. Thinking about motherhood, it doesn't just start once your baby is on the earth. This process of you creating this baby right now is you becoming a mother too. It is a divine calling, it is an honor, and it is a sacred time. Remember to give yourself love and grace too. On an inhale, walk your hands back up and come into staff bent knees. Bring your right ankle on your left knee, just right above, into a figure 4 position. Placing your hands behind you, fingers facing forward, lengthen that spine. You'll feel a deep opening in your outer hip. As you inhale and exhale, send breath to your outer hip. Exhale, release that foot, switch sides. Left ankle right above the right knee, coming into figure 4. Exhale, release, and come into stillness now. If you'd like to get a little blanket or a little pillow to put in between your knees, be sure to give yourself support underneath your neck and your head. You can even place your hand on your belly to connect with your baby. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, coming back to your practice. On an inhale, push yourself up. Come into an easy seated position, keeping your eyes shut. Bringing your hands to your third eye, acknowledging the light within you, within your baby. Namaste. This program is a 30-day program, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see more prenatal videos, be sure to click subscribe. Also, you can give this video a thumbs up and share it with another mama to help build this community of powerful, intuitive women. I also have lots of resources for pregnant moms, and will link them in the description below. Thank you for joining me again. You are amazing.